All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market, and today is the 17th of February, and I hope you had a good weekend, President's Weekend, and let's get back to business today. All right, SPX for us has to take out 20. Here's our pivot up here. Okay, that's that's the key for us to take out the day pivot, which is it looks like at 22107.7. All right, we made a high yesterday, I believe, at 2097.03, and the market has just been flirting around up there. Okay, so we got to take that out. I'm going to sound a little echoey today because I don't have a headset on because we're going to be doing that live broadcast today at noon. So I'm going to work it out. I got to get some other things I got to figure out as far as that is concerned. All right, here's the profile. Looks like we have a high overnight right here at 20, basically 2093. And we got a low down here of 2080, probably 75. It's hard to see sometimes on profile. So this is what we have. I mean, this is all uncharted water. I mean, all I can tell you is that I have the objectives on the upsides will be S1, S2, S3, and then after we get open, we'll get the first 5 minute. We'll get the IB range after the first hour. So you know me, I think this market, and as you can see, as we've gotten up to the top, that the volume and all the different things have slowed up. I'll be interested to see what happens because I've been looking for a little bit of a retracement. I hate it when it trades like this. I mean, it drives me crazy. It just drives me nuts. But all right, so we got the higher value today going to be 2091.75. We've got 2088 half is the point of control, and we've got 2086 and a quarter as the low of value, and then way down here 2082 and a quarter is the bull bear zone. This green over here, our bias is up, our long-term oscillator is up, and our short-term oscillator is up. So when you see this, we got green, green. Two moving averages are green. They've crossed over here. It looks like we're headed up. You probably could get an opening drive this morning, maybe. In normal markets, I like to see an opening drive where the market gets pushed down and then it recovers and goes back up. But it looks like they're going to take a look at going to a higher. It's going higher. And based on some of the drone buying we had last week, I think that it'd probably be smart to sit back and watch before you jump in because there's obviously there's been a push to the upside by the long-term money, and we don't want to get caught with that. Here's our day chart that we basically we were looking for the breakout. So if you take a look at this, I guess we could treat this as this is a day chart looking to break out here. We made all-time highs in the future market. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 higher closes. Now we've had 2 lower closes. This one I don't really count that much because of the fact that, well, Friday and Monday to me were, both one day. It was like and you can see they really didn't, do much. So because it was a holiday. So today will be, we'll see if the bulls step in and say, okay, we're going, basically 2100, 2150. I don't know. When it went through 2000, I stood there with my mouth open, didn't know what to say. So that's what we're looking at. All right, oil. Okay, we've got a positive bias on oil. Okay, we've got our bull bear zone way down here at 52 and a quarter. It looks like right now that we've coming out at the bottom of value, which is 52.54. 53.05 is the point of control. And then the top of oil is 53.08, green here. We've got a positive bias on oil. Intermediate trend is up. Right now we're in a neutral with the short-term trend, but I think we'll have to react to see how it reacts at the bull bear zone and goes from there. The market started above value, has gone through value. Now I see it bottoming out. If we get back inside value, I think we'll go back up to this area here. So we got a positive bias on oil. Okay, the ZB. Where is the ZB? Let's go with the bonds. All right, so we've got a negative bias on, here it is down here, mom bias. All right, negative bias. We've got the bottom of value at 146.08, 146.28. All right, and I'm having trouble with this chart, but our bull bear zone is actually right here, 145.24. I can't get the bull bear zone to move. I got to figure out what's going on with that, but 145.24. So right where we're at right now is our bull bear zone. Okay, and then we got the top value way up here at 147.02. So since we made the high in oil, I mean in the bonds, it's been a straight sell-off since then. So I don't know. Let me take a look why we got the things up. What do we got going on, Anthony, with numbers this week? Economic numbers. Click here and we'll pick that up. While you're doing that, let me get the gold. Okay, gold. All right. Gold, we don't have, our bias is long. We think the market's going to rally a little bit. It's bottomed out here. We've got the bottom of gold value at 1227 and 20 cents. 1,228 is the point of control, and then we have 1,231.80 as the top of value. And then right here, our bull bear zone is right underneath there, 1,228. So bull bear zone will be right in here again. But we've got a positive bias on gold and looking for it to rally today. All right, economic numbers. Okay, today we have, well, it's out already. Empire State Mortgage Survey, housing market at 10 a.m. So that'll be 9 a.m. Central. E-commerce retail sales at 10 a.m. So that'll be commerce sales, retail housing market index. And then we have, we got the 4-week bill auction, 3-month auction, 6-month auction. Charles Plesser speaks at 12:45. And then 4 p.m. Treasury International Capital. So we'll see what, take a look at 9 o'clock and see if these numbers move. We got the e-commerce and the housing market. Tomorrow, we got housing starts, MBA purchasing applications, PPI, and Redbook, industrial production. So that's tomorrow. All right. All right, so we're back to business. The vacation's over. Remember, today, we will be doing a live broadcast. Get the link off of YouTube. All right, go to YouTube, and it will be live from 12 o'clock Central to 1 p.m., and we'll be being able to share the charts. We'll probably have to do the Q&A. The Q&A is probably going to go through Twitter. So you're going to have to send your questions through Twitter, either post them or send them in an instant message. And I've got my nephew, Anthony Borsellino, working with me now, and he will be fielding the questions. And hopefully this works. It's going to be live, and you get to see my face today. See how good looking I am still. All right. Everybody have a good day trading. We'll talk to you later. Bye.